In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple wrap tassel wall hanging. You'll need macramé cotton, coloured yarn of your choice, some cotton twine, a dowel or piece of driftwood, scissors and a comb. Start by making the hanging loop of the tassel. You will need to measure a length of string about double the length of the drop you would like to create. Keeping the ends together, tie a knot and set aside. To make the tassel, wrap the cotton around a book or piece of card 10 times. The finished length of the tassel will be determined by the size of the book that you use. Remove the cotton from the book and cut the strands at one end. Place the centre of the cotton strands over a length of twine and spread into an even layer. Take the hanging loop you had set aside, place the knot in the centre just below the twine. As you tighten the twine, position the cotton strands evenly around the knot. Tie a knot to secure and trim the ends. Holding the hanging loop, fold the cotton strands over at the top and position to cover the knot. I like to tie a loose knot in the hanging loop just to help keep it out of the way while wrapping the tassel. To begin wrapping, take your yarn and create a U-shape down the length of the tassel. Start wrapping from the top, make sure to leave a short tail. Holding the tassel in place, continue to wrap, keeping a firm tension. When you're happy with the length of your wrap, cut off the yarn. Put the end of the yarn through the loop you created at the base. Pull the yarn through the wrap to secure by pulling the tail left at the top. Cut the ends as close to the tassel as you can. Now trim the ends of the tassel. You can leave as is or comb out to create a fluffy fringe. Another quick trim and the tassel is done. To attach the tassel, you can use a lark's head knot. Place the loop of your tassel over and behind the dowel then pull your tassel through the loop and tighten. Another way is by simply threading the tassel over the end of the dowel and moving into place. I use the second method to attach my tassels. Repeating the process, I created 25 tassels in total. I also varied the tassel lengths to create some visual interest. To add the hanging rope, create a lark's head knot by making a U shape with the end of your rope. Take the loop over, then behind the dowel. Pull the ends of the rope through, leaving the short end towards the outside. Pull to tighten and secure with a knot. Move the knot to the top of the dowel and trim the end. On the opposite side, place the end of the rope over and behind the dowel, bringing back on the left side. Now create a number 4. Take the end across the rope, under and over the dowel, bringing it back into the loop you have made. Again, pull tightly and secure with a knot. Position the knot at the top and trim the end. To finish, adjust the spacing of your tassels and give another quick comb to refresh the fringe. Detailed measurements and supplies are listed in the description. Leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see. For more tutorials, make sure you hit subscribe. Don't forget to share your work, I'd love to see your creations. Thanks for watching.